First, let's explore what the concept of happiness is. What do you think are the conditions for happiness? Is it being able to eat what you want, wear what you want, live where you want? Is it having the kind of parents you want, the kind of children you want, the kind of self you want, and the kind of friends you want? All these things that I desire are my notions and desires. The standards of life that I think of are my conditions for happiness. In the end, I am trapped by my own conditions for happiness. I am under the illusion that I am happy to the extent that my notions of happiness are maintained. My desires are shaped by the conditions and environment in which I live, and these form my notions. In this way, I become a slave to the notions I have created, dictated by conditions and environment. We need to let go of all these things. We need to let go of the notions we have created. This means we need to let go of our notions of happiness. There are essential things we need to live with a body: food, clothing, and shelter. To maintain our body, we need money. How much money do you think you need to be happy? What do you think you need to eat to feel happy? What kind of clothes do you need to wear to feel happy? What kind of house do you need to live in to feel happy? What kind of job do you need to have to feel happy? What kind of parents, children, siblings, friends, colleagues, and spouse do you need to have to feel happy? When exactly have you felt happy in the past? Find all the moments when you felt happiness in the past. Those are your notions and emotions about happiness. You need to find and let go of all of them. If you don't let go of your notions of happiness, you can never truly be happy. To attain true happiness, you must let go of all your notions, customs, and yourself, and return to your original self. Happiness is not something you create. It is something you find within your heart that has always been there. This is the method of this meditation.